Nice student, Elder Antonio Enriquez Rosa. It 16041987000137. Section A. Brackets. For brackets, I have white bangs. I love like to hit bangs. I have black spot and head wet bangs in the morning. Lunch. For lunch, I have chicken, rice, and tortilla. I love like to have chicken, rice, and tortilla. I have lunch at 1, 2, 3, 0 in the afternoon. Snacks. For a snack, I'll have bread with coffee. I love like to eat bread with coffee. I have a snack at 3:00 p.m. in the afternoon. Dinner. For dinner, I have rice and cheese. I love like to eat buns and cheese. I have dinner at 7:00 p.m. at night.